Hey guys, Joshua here, and welcome back to Spider-Man. And so, in the last video,
Folks, we need to talk more about this live-streaming egomaniac screwball. It's bad enough her show features and glorifies that narcissistic webhead Spider-Man, but her shows, if you can even call them that, are putting hard-working New Yorkers in harm's way just so she can gain followers, whatever that means. Can't you see her ridiculous stunts are nothing more than a desperate ploy for attention? Come on, folks, you're smarter than that. By watching her shows, you're literally hurting yourselves. So, you ask, what should we do instead, Jonah? Here's an idea. Tune into my show instead. The only thing I'll hurt you with is the truth. Damn, that's a good line. Write that one down, Jared. Let's use it in the next promo.
Anyway guys, in the last video, we were fighting Silver Sable, and in the last video I was very angry, all because I really don't like fighting Sable, so anyway, let's go. And so for today's video, we're gonna go help this guy out with
Hammerhead's
them.
crew have a Sable agent pinned down. Not exactly a fair fight. Let's even the odds a bit. Snoring now.
No. There we go. Oh, I will. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, I did cut my video short, too. I did cut my video short because I got things to do.
Hey, you have to teach me how you do all that.
I wish I could say there was an art to it. Mostly I just try to go where the bullets aren't.
True. I am in your debt.
What were these guys after?
These are humanitarian supplies bound for Symkaria. You have heard of the civil unrest?
I heard it was more of a civil war.
Indeed. Well, these men attacked me and stole most of the supplies. But they took them, I do not know.
I'll keep an eye out and let you know if I find any. Nice to meet you,
David. David Obademi.
Spider-Man. Okay, that sounded way less awkward in my head.
Sure did. Sure did.
Hey, MJ.
Peter, head to Soho. I have a lead I need you to check out. One of my jailhouse sources just told me that some of Hammerhead's guys are always at a certain pizza shop. And maybe you can trail them, find out where Hammerhead's supplies are.
You know, just once I'd like to have a phone call where we talk to each other about our days. Like normal people.
Okay, so, honey, how was your day?
Well, Sable and I caught some bad guys.
Oh, so you are working together.
In concept.
You two have to find a way to work it out. Hammerhead's too powerful to take on alone. My jailhouse source also said that Hammerhead's using this Project Olympus stuff to, quote, improve himself even further.
Further? He was already a walking tank.
Exactly my point. If you two don't stop him soon, he might become unstoppable.
Alright. I think I can upgrade my gadgets, I think. And my skills, whatever. What is this one? Well, I love that. And now that one's 100. What is this one? Oh, this one costs 3. Sure. What is this one? Immediately before my second finisher. I like that one. Okay, I just got 2 more to do. Okay. I still got 2 more.
Officers in pursuit of suspects with stolen Sable gear. Location is Hudson Town.
Nope. Nope, I'm doing this main mission, thank you very much.
Too many people around. I'm not gonna be able to get close looking like this. Maybe if I ditch the suit.
For now.
There. Now I'm just your average New Yorker.
That's right.
Hey, I think that's the place that got a 3-star review in the Bugle last week. No wonder it's crowded.
Then mine or yours?
Mine. Yeah, what's up? Okay, tell him we're on our way. Hey, come on. We gotta run an errand for Tony.
Now? We're almost to the front of the line.
I know. Just come on.
Need to run an errand for Tony? Those have to be Hammerhead's men. Better follow him, but not too close.
So what do we gotta do for Tony?
Oh.
Get his laptop. Guess he left it in his car.
You serious? Why can't he get his own damn
No.
laptop?
Boss probably hasn't doing
I was
something.
gonna wait for them.
Somebody
Nope.
following us?
Nope.
Be cool, Pete. Be cool.
This is what I do.
Guess not. Where is the
Whew.
boss anyway?
That was fun. Move, lady.
Tony probably does that.
God.
He's tight with the boss.
Damn freaking Tony. Man, I should be the one who's tight with the
Oh,
boss.
him.
Okay, sure.
Hey,
Nope.
that kid look familiar to you?
Oh, look, someone posted a cat video. Better watch that right now.
Nah, all these kids look the same.
He's also the one who helped the boss come up with that trap for the stable chick.
Yeah, like that's ever gonna work.
I don't know. Sounds like a good plan to me. And if we get her, we get the rest of her stuff.
So now you're on Tony's side? I see how it is.
Listen, I'm gonna go talk to Sal. Keep people off the lot for a minute.
Yeah. Frickin' Tony.
Gotta get closer to hear what they're saying. If I can't get next to them, maybe I can get above them. Need to get out of sight. Can't be climbing walls until I'm hidden.
She's back. Of course she's back. Not safe, I know. I know I can't go that way, so I'm just gonna go this way.
No one can see me. Now I can climb up to the rooftop. If I get above those guys, I can hear them. Gotta get to that alleyway.
Swear on my mother's grave. Guy thinks he's next in line.
Ha! Next in line to shine my shoes, maybe.
Ain't that the truth? Anyways, Tony said he needs his laptop. Guess it's got all kinds of important stuff on it.
As laptops do. We put it up in C3.
Slot C3, huh? If I can get Tony's laptop, it could lead me to Hammerhead.
Thanks. Oh, wait.
Stimulating conversation, guys, but I've heard enough.
Spider-Man! Take it out! Don't let him get you!
What are you hit up with?
Nope.
Hear me? Pick on someone bigger!
No. Well, yes, but... God, stop trying to fight me. Here we go.
Watch out! I'll crush you!
Okay, back to Sneaky Spider. You're in timeout.
There we go.
Okay, now where's that laptop?
Slot C3. That's ED C3.
Well, hello there, Tony's laptop.
There we go.
Let's see if I can hack into it. Bada bing. Looks like he's got a Find My Phone app installed. Let's see where you are, Tony.
Hey, Pete.
Hi, honey. How's your day?
Busy. Neck deep in research on Symkaria.
I'll make it quick then. Your tip was a good one. I'm on my way to one of Hammerhead's top men. If anybody knows where Hammerhead is, it's him.
That's great.
And one of his guys mentioned setting a trap for Sable. What do you think that means?
I think it means a bunch of old school Magia thugs feel threatened by a confident, powerful...
Right.
Sorry, Pete. I don't mean to blow you off, but I'm on a deadline, so...
Yeah, totally. Talk later.
No, I don't know when she's coming. You just gotta be ready.
There's Tony.
I don't think that's enough, guys. Double it up. Then take them out of their faces. Why are you making me do your job for you? I'm there!
There we go. Here we go. Boom! There we go. Cool.
Hey, Spider-Man. You see that Sable chick? You tell her my boss wants to have a sit-down.
Yeah, I could. But she doesn't really listen to me. Or anyone.
Here she is.
Give me the address.
Wait, where? How did...
The address!
Clexco building. Rooftop.
No, wait, it's probably an ambush!
Now I gotta follow her now. Yep, I'm just gonna follow her. I meant that.
Sable, you're headed into a trap!
It does not matter, as long as Hammerhead is there.
You don't get it! I'm trying to keep you from getting hurt!
I can take care of myself.
Usually you can, but Hammerhead's been using your Project Olympus stuff.
I know.
Then you know he's turned himself into some kind of giant Franken-monster!
And that is why I must stop him.
But not like this! Not by going right into a trap! Ah, Sable, what are you doing?
There it is.
Oh, hey, look, a trap! If only we had some kind of advanced warning!
I can handle this.
I'm sort of tempted to sit back and watch, but that would just be petty. Trapped on their own tech. Looks like the whole thing is powered by those generators. One down. You doing okay in there, Sable? Or is it Silver? Or is it something else? What do your friends call you? Wait, you don't have any friends, do you? I bet you're proud of that for some reason. Got it. Hang tight while I work on the other one. Get it? Hang tight?
Shut up.
You know, talking about your feelings has been scientifically proven to reduce stress and improve mood. It's just saying, you'd be doing us all a favor. Okay, just one more. it! Okay, now let's get out of here!
If we stay here, Hammerhead will come to us.
Not so sure that's a good idea.
Oh god, it's this guy. Whoa! Whoa. Hold on, come on. Hey, no. Whoa.
Changing position.
Don't mind me! Just keep doing what you're doing!
It's called webbing. Whoa, that was close. No.
Acquiring target. Locking in.
Whoa, that was close. Thank God. No. I'm getting rid of you. Oh, boom! No. Oh my God, I could have waited. Really? Thank you. Alright, not this guy again. Come on. I know it takes two.
Good work.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Can we please get out of here now?
Look at him now. Oh no. Hammerhead is just gonna try to kill me. Hammerhead is trying to kill me.
See you in hell, bug.
Oh no.
2 for 1. My lucky day.
That can't save me. Ooh. The black cat saved my life. Oh, God. Hold on, guys. I will be right back.
You're alive.
Did you honestly think I was dead?
How did you find me?
Same way she did. Watch out. That girl has trust issues.
How long have you been watching me? Watching us?
Long enough to know you're making a mistake. Hammerhead's gotten too powerful.
Do you really think I have a choice?
Here.
Wait, is that?
Everything you need to know about that ugly thing. Sorry for what I did to you. But now we're even. One more thing. His head, not as strong as you think it is.
Bye, Felicia. Let's see what's on this thing.
Okay, guys, my mom wanted me to see something, but yeah. The Black Cat saved my life. Wow, she saved my life and went over there. Wow. Okay, I need a, ooh. Oh yes, I want that. Okay. What is this one? Yeah, I'm just gonna switch it for that. I am getting that though.
Keeping Sable in that base. I bet they have those stolen humanitarian supplies in those other bases. I should call David about this.
Hello.
Hi, David. It's Spider-Man. I think I may have found those humanitarian supplies bound for Symkaria.
Great. Can you send me the locations?
Well, there's just one wrinkle. They're in heavily fortified bases guarded by bionic madmen with futuristic weapons and impenetrable armor.
That is quite a wrinkle.
Why don't I scope out their hideouts first and get back to you?
Thank you, Spider-Man. I greatly appreciate all your help.
Time to check in with MJ.
Peter, are you okay? I saw people posting pictures of you and Hammerhead and Sable
And Black Cat. Normally she brings bad luck, but not this time.
I knew she was still alive. What was she doing there?
Saving my skin and giving me a lead on Hammerhead's hideouts. Turns out he's been stashing all of the stolen Sable tech underground.
What? How?
I'm on my way to find out. And hopefully rescue Sable. If she's still alive.
Listen, I've been digging into this Symkaria thing. It's a big story. Something I feel like I need to be a part of. My boss agrees.
Wait, you're going to Symkaria? When?
Tonight. It's a rapidly developing situation. You and Sable can take care of Hammerhead. You don't need me.
Just because I don't need you doesn't mean I don't need you.
That's sweet. But listen, other countries are ignoring this crisis, including ours. These people are helpless, all alone in the middle of a war zone. If I document what's happening and share it with the rest of the world, it might change things. Maybe even save lives.
Spoken like it, the entrance to his hideout must be somewhere close by.
Oops, I did not mean to do that. No. Oh, whoops. Oops, I broke the dialogue. Sorry.
Must be underground. Guess it's time for some urban spelunking.
No, Jared, I said I wanted crushed ice, not... What do you mean we're live? Oh. Haha! Listeners, brushheads, stop me if you heard this one before. Spider-Man just chased a bunch of thugs through the streets, putting citizens in danger and leaving millions in property damage in his wake. And this time, he had a little help from a certain silver-haired vigilante who turned the financial district into her own personal shooting gallery with a flying death machine. But that's not the worst of it, folks. Oh no. What could be worse, you ask? The traffic, the gridlock. It was so bad that yours truly missed a very important dental appointment. Now I have to wait 6 months for the next opening. How many other people missed dental appointments because of this? Dozens? Hundreds? Thousands? Which, of course, leads us to the obvious conclusion. Spider-Man causes tooth decay!
Why? So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom, and then we will continue. But first, I'm just gonna see how long I have been recording for.
Officers are engaged.
All right, guys, we still have enough time, but I'm just gonna go bathroom real quick. Once I come back, and then we will go down there and save Sable. Okay, guys, I am back. If you heard a bad word, then that's from my mom. But, yeah. My mom wants me. I will be right back. I'm making a video. Okay, guys. I guess I just gotta save Sable real quick, and then I gotta end this video. So I'm just gonna go save Sable real quick. Once I save Sable real quick, and then I'm just gonna end this video. Let's get this over with.
That's a new smell. Yuck. Hope I find Sable before the fumes overwhelm her. If I can get through this without getting wet, that'd be a win.
Hello?
This is so cool.
Hey! Sibilance!
Whoa, look at this place. The amount of work it takes to make this city run is just crazy. I'll never take fresh water for granted again. Okay, let's see where this leads. Looks like some loose bricks up ahead. Yeah, nice. Okay, onward. Hammerheads, guys. They've taken over an abandoned subway platform. Gotta take these guys out, then look around for Sable.
I'm gonna deal with the snipers first. Let's take these guys out real quick. Of course, I gotta do it quietly. Or I don't have to, but I'm just gonna do it quietly anyways.
Also the problem space. I mean, we just ran out of room.
We could use some of those bigger things to make more room.
Not a bad idea. I just wonder if we even need more like that.
Are you kidding? Those things are awesome. You get just up in there and come out feeling like a superhero.
Think we villains are?
Hey,
Surprise!
what do you mean? He said he would. Boss is good on his word. Yeah, what about this project? We're all here. Just in different ways. Who's back?
Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. I just want to get this over. Come on. Dude.
Huh? Someone there?
There we go.
Better check that out.
Wait. You better look over.
What the? Better What the? Better investigate.
Come on, come on. Can you walk faster? Nope. Oh, whoops, I did not mean to do that again. Come on. Safe.
Someone needs a nap.
Oh, okay. Come on. I like to do this. Have you in this game? There we go. Yeah, more bad guys.
Okay, that's all of them. Now, I bet if I follow the power cables, I'll find where they're holding Saber. Hope that's not a load-bearing subway car. Nice. Okay, follow the yellow wire. If I don't find any lions, tigers, or bears, oh my. Ah, tunnel's blocked, but I think I can still squeeze through.
Okay, let's get this over with. Once I rescue Sable and finish that mission, and then I will end this video.
Body bags? Well, this just took a turn.
With this one. What do you mean, what happened? He died inside the thing, like the other guys. Who was it? Don't remember his name. Sal's cousin, I think.
Was it messy?
Nah, he just came out all blue. I think he... Stop.
Okay, I didn't imagine that.
Gotta do this quick, and then find Sable.
Come on. I'm just gonna get this over with. Come on.
Hey!
You're done. This place looks like their main base of operations.
Okay, let's get this over with.
All this stuff belongs to Sable? Yeah, most of it's overseas though. What do you think, boss? I'm thinking about how she took over the whole city in a matter of days. You mean back during that Devil's Breath thing? Yeah, that was crazy. Not so crazy when you got the right equipment. Well, we got those digging things. Not good enough. If we want the best stuff, we're gonna need her. Yeah, okay. How are we gonna do that? Just keep taking her stuff. She'll come to us.
Oh no. Another one.
The cop almost killed me. I thought you said I'd be indestructible.
I said almost indestructible. After all, you're still human.
Then make me less human.
I'm not sure what you mean.
I mean what I said. Now get to work.
Okay. Did that.
XRT-89. Subterranean Troop Deployment Vehicle. That's the real name? I'm sticking with Dig Boy.
Dig Boy, I like that.
Sable jetpacks. I'd pay good money to see Hammerhead's guys learning to fly in these things for the first time.
Of course. Oh, guys, Mom's phone's calling, so I will be right back. Phone's going off.
I should have a look around, see what I can learn.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So yeah.
Project Olympus. These pods require a lot of electricity. Must be why they're leeching off the subway.
I told you, I just helped manufacture these things. I didn't design them.
Guess we got the wrong guy then. On the bright side, now we got our first test subject.
No! No! Don't turn it on! Please! Just give me a few minutes. I can figure it out.
Now that's what I like to hear.
I really don't like Hammerhead.
Wow. If Hammerhead gets his hands on this thing, we're in serious trouble.
Oh, whoops.
Sable. Sounds like she's close. There. The only way out is through. High voltage wires and sewer water. What could possibly go wrong? If there's one takeaway from this underground lair thing, it's that Hammerhead should have fewer thugs with guns and a lot more safety inspectors.
Nope. Nope, I'm not going on that. Oh, because it's electrified. Yeah.
Every minute I am here is another nail in your coffin.
You got spirit. I like it.
I will never give you what you want.
Yes, you will.
Okay. Here we go. Well, she's tougher. She's her, but she's tough at the same time.
You came back from me. Why?
Because I need you.
I work alone.
I used to say the same thing.
Yeah.
I know what's happening in Symkaria. I know why this means so much to you.
Think you know, but you do not know.
What can I do to make you trust me? Look, I think I know how we can take down that monster, but I can't do it alone.
Damn it! He let her loose!
Yep, I did. Here we go.
Okay, here's the plan. Good plan.
Of course I do. Whoa! We're in the face. I like that. No.
You must teach me how to use that.
I wish I could, but it's a whole big intellectual property thing.
Haha. No. No. Whoa, you almost grabbed me. You almost grabbed me.
Kinda nice to have you on my side for once.
Shut up and fight.
You gotta work on your fight banter, though.
No.
No lethal force, okay?
I fight that. I fight him. Or weapon. Nice shot. Teamwork. I like this teamwork thing. I like working with.
Awesome.
I like working with Sable than
You said
fighting
you could
her.
defeat Hammerhead.
I did. I did fight him once.
You know you left me hanging, right?
She does not want to high five you. She wants the stinking USB drive.
There are medical records in here.
Yeah, mostly about that metal plate in his head.
Carbon steel.
Super strong, pretty sensitive to heat.
The high five thing.
I have an idea.
I solemnly swear to do whatever you tell me to.
I will call soon.
But yeah.
Anyway, guys, no more sewers. I don't like going in the sewers.
Guess I'll do some Spidey work while I wait for Sable's call. Hey, what's that?
Well, let's investigate. Oh, come on, go up there.
What's with all the yellow stuff? Huh. Is this some weird street artist thing? A police report. Looks like someone was killed during a mugging, but nothing was stolen.
I like doing this one.
What's with the audio recorder?
So, you have some work-related stress. Well, you came to the right place. That's my specialty. So they tell me. Give me some more specifics about how you're feeling.
Guess you could say I put a lot of pressure on myself. I like to be the best. Plus, I have a very demanding boss.
Then what kind of work do you do?
Everything here stays confidential, right?
Of course.
Good. Because if any of this gets out, you're a dead man.
The case file says 1 of 9. There must be more of these out in the city. There's a bunch of GPS coordinates here. I love treasure hunts, but something tells me I'm not gonna find a chest full of gold at any of these places.
You won't. You're gonna find well, you're not gonna find a treasure full of gold at any of those places, and I know there's another one right there I can see already, but I might probably get that in the next video. I might probably get all of them in the next video. Maybe. So yeah, anyway guys, I got to end this video here. It's all because like my mom is gonna install an air conditioner, so yeah, I'm just gonna go end the video. So yeah, so anyway, I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna save there. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna go.
Peter, just letting you know I haven't left the house.
Glad to hear it. What's up?
I've been listening to the police radio, and there's stuff happening all over the city, like constantly.
Pretty overwhelming, isn't it?
How do you do it? I mean, you can't be everywhere at once.
True.
Remember what May used to say, you help someone, you help everyone.
Yeah, but I never really understood what she meant.
Okay. You know that lady that came in to feast the other day with her 2 kids?
The one who just got evicted?
Yeah. After she found a job and was about to move into her new place, she told me, as soon as I get my first paycheck, I'm sending as much as I can back to the shelter.
So we helped her, and now she wants to help others. Helping is like a force multiplier.
Exactly.
Yep.
May was pretty great, wasn't she?
The greatest.
Yep.
I'm gonna send you an address as soon as I'm done with all this, so stay ready. And bring those web shooters with you.
Finally!
So anyway, guys, yeah, so anyway, I'm just gonna go end this video here. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. And so in the next video, we're gonna fight Hammerhead, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So it's gonna be a short one in the next video. So yeah, I will say my outro one more time, and then I will end this video here. Or yeah. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.